How to download CapCut on laptop without Bluestacks. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download CapCut without Bluestacks on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. First thing, just head over to your Microsoft Store, and once you're inside here, just search in for CapCut application, just like this. So once you're searching for CapCut application, as you can see, just tap on this CapCut application. You should be getting the application that is CapCut for free from your Microsoft Windows Store without actually having to download any BlueStacks, that is third-party emulator, Android emulator, to get it on your PC or laptop. So as you can see, I've already downloaded the application. So if you also see any update buttons, you can simply start updating the application for getting all of its dependencies file ready. So once you do that, you should be successfully be able to download and install and get started with your CapCut application on your PC or laptop. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.